guys, just to update you regarding the Eliwell defrosting. As you notice, the unit is in defrost but the compressor is engaged, therefore this is hot gas defrosting. We should store back the default, which is 0, and this is the effect, guys, once the compressor is active during defrosting. It seems like we have the same issue when using this analog thermostat. So to do that, just simply push this button here. When CP appears, remove your hand there or release, then press, and then let's locate the frost folder. Press it again and press. Just replace 1 to 0. Press set memory. Done. Now it's time to reset. Reset button is over here. Then plug in again. To activate manual defrosting, just simply press the up button here. And a defrost happen, and take a look, the light indicator for the compressor is off. Thanks for watching, everyone.